This morning I'm going to finish putting back the back end on the Ford Focus. I'm finishing this puppy up. Going to get it done. Be done with it. I'm probably not going to video too much, but I'll show you the things that I've gotten done with it so far this morning. And thanks for watching. Right now I'm putting I've put the springs on for the deck lid, and I'm tightening down the grounds, and then I'm going to start putting the brackets on. And yeah, it looks like shit, but as I've said all along, this is for me to drive to work. So as long as it looks halfway decent and I don't get any carbon monoxide in the car, I'm good to go. So stick around. So I'm going to start putting these on so that I can put the bumper cover on and put the tail lights in, and then we'll be good to go. So keep on hanging out. So last week I put most of the brackets and the crush panel and all that good stuff on in the tail light, but what I figured out was that my old bumper crash bar was not going to work, so I had to order one, and I did not have a tail light for the passenger side, so I ordered one of those. Both of those are in, so I'm gonna continue reassembling this baby. So stick around. I'm not going to videotape it all 100% just like I did last week. I'm just going to try and get it done. So here we go. Here's a box for my brand new crash bar. Open this puppy up, and it's a huge box for that little piece, but we'll see what it looks like. So they have a really huge box for something that's relatively small. Hopefully it didn't get beat up in the process of getting here. Not too badly anyways. Looks a little beat up, but oh well. Alright, so I have the crash bar bolted in now, and now I have to put these final brackets that put the bottom of the bumper cover, and they go on. See if I can get this bracket right there. So I'm going to put those on, and then we'll be ready to put the bumper cover on. Well, what I've learned is you can't put the rivets in for those brackets until after you put the crash bar on. So if you're doing one of these, put those little brackets on first, or you won't get your big pop rivet gun in there. Just a little information. Alright, there they are. Now I'm going to put the crash bar back on. Alright, so I got this side on, and this side is going on. I got the screw in, got those in, but for some reason this one area doesn't fit, so I am running it, charging the battery. I gotta go get some screws for the license plate, and there's two pins on the bottom that hold the bottom of the bumper cover onto those brackets, so I'm gonna go get those, and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna clean this puppy out. As you can see, taking everything out of the interior so I can vacuum it all out, and we'll go from there. But definitely coming along. So there you go. So this side looks good, relatively speaking, as compared to what it was, and this side is getting there. I just got to get this little teeny tiny bit over, and we'll be good to go. And then I can put the tail light in, and then we're good to go. So I'm gonna go get some license plate screws and 2 of those little tags for the bottom, and I'll be back. Well, there you have it. It's not perfect by any sense of the imagination, but it's gonna work. Would I've liked it to be a little better? Shit, yeah, but you know, with everything, I probably got $2,500 in a 2013, so you know, might not be perfect, but it'll work. So thanks for watching. I'm gonna probably, I gotta finish putting all the rest of this shit in here, but I just wanted to show you that although it may not be perfect, it's gonna work. So thanks for watching this whole series. Now I got a car, a commuter car that's okay. So, and again, like I said, thanks for watching, and I greatly appreciate it.